Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to upload pin on Pinterest. So for this, I am here on Pinterest app. So as you can see, the pin is published. So this is how you can publish it. Open your Pinterest app and now click on your profile in the right bottom corner. As you click on your profile, there you will find two options, that is pins and boards. So here in board section, you can create your board where you can organize multiple pins, and in pin section you can upload pins. So if I click on this plus button, so here we have three options: to upload pin, to make collage, or to upload board. So I will click on pin and your gallery will open up. So from here you can choose the image that you want to post as pin. So I will upload this image here as wallpaper. So click on next. So here you need to add your title. So I will add a title of wallpaper here. Once you add the title, then there we have description. So you can add a simple description here. So I will add a floral lavender wallpaper. Once your description is finished, then the next option is link. You can add a link of website if you have any. Then we have tags. So in tag section, you can tag related. So I will add a wallpaper tag here and then click on done. Once you're done with all the editing, then click on create, and here it will take few seconds and now your pin is published. So that's how you can publish pins on Pinterest. Let me know if it worked for you and check out this video for more handy tips. Thank you for watching. Bye.